And what else after this? Of course, we want to, you know, we want to do the simulation. So let's just click on run, but I want to look at the GCG, and let's remember this, this distribution. There must be changes after we run the simulation. Okay, so we have started the simulation. It's calculating. Of course, there will be distribution of our tracer, and again in this case, the tracer is the gas cap gas and oil in the gas cap. You see, so very quickly the gas and the oil breaks through into this. I think it's P2, and need more time for P1 because the distance, is farther. And during this calculation, we can go to graphs. Yeah, you can get the rate, but the thing that I want to show you is the tracer here. Uncheck everything. You can monitor here. So let's see the P2, uncheck everything, and then open the tree for the gas cap gas production. So you see, this is the production of the gas cap gas by the P2. You see the trend increases very quickly, which gives the indication of, the breakthrough of the gas cap gas into P2. And what about the oil? The same, very, very quickly. It's premature breakthrough. Yeah, because the location is very close from the well to the gas cap. Okay, maybe the engineer want to produce the gas cap. I don't know. So this is for the P2, and what about for P1? Okay, so for P1, oil comes first. Okay, the red color. And then the gas cap gas comes at around January 2014. Okay, and what about the oil or gas from the oil rim for P1? Of course, the gas from the oil rim and the oil from the oil rim will be readily produced by P1 because P1 is located at the oil rim. And of course, the same way with P2. Very early in the initial time of the production, readily the oil and the gas from the oil rim are produced by the wells, by the two wells. Okay, you see here, very easy, right? And yeah, maybe we can right click and then create custom palette fast, and then custom palette setting, logarithmic, to give us more detail for small value, right? For small value, we want to make it more detailed, we can use logarithmic scale. So it's like this. Okay. And of course, don't forget to use the tracer profile here, either for production rate, injection rate. If you use gas injector, water injector, CO2 injector, you can use this. And this is for the black oil case. And hopefully we can also discuss about compositional case. In compositional, we will now talk about oil, water, or oil or gas, but we will use the name of the component itself, either C1 or CO2 or maybe nitrogen. Okay, but for now, I think we can close. This is the learning for the use of tracer for our gas cap or oil rim. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next tNavigator videos. Thank you.